Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can draw horizontal line on MetaTrader 4. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the MetaTrader 4 app, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on the screen where you can see chart option at bottom. Just tap over there and now you'll be redirected to your chart section where you can see the chart of AUD and you'll be able to see the object symbol at top, which is at left side of the trade option. So once you tap over there you'll be able to see the add object. So once you tap on that option you simply need to select the second option, which is horizontal line. So once you click on it you simply need to tap on the chart now and you'll be able to draw a horizontal line successfully. And if you long tap it again you'll be able to edit and delete it as well. So once you delete it you'll be able to remove the horizontal line successfully. So basically this is how you can draw horizontal line on MetaTrader 4. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.